Hi guys, so for this project we'll be using a 5.5mm crochet hook and the yarn is Caron Simply Soft. So the first thing we need to do is make a slip stitch. Chain 2, slip stitch into the first one, chain 2, and then single crochet 12 in the center. 1, 2, slip stitch into the first one, chain 3, double crochet by 2 in each one, slip stitch into the third chain of the first post to finish the row, chain 3, front double crochet in this one, go in here and then just double crochet, then go in the column, front double crochet, then go in here and just double crochet, front double crochet, double crochet, front double crochet, double crochet, and continue to do that for the entire row, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, when you get to this point, you will slip stitch into the third chain of the first post. Chain 3, and then you will front double crochet in the front double crochet, and you will back double crochet into the back double crochet, like that. So front double crochet back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet, and you will continue to do that until you have 15 rows from the beginning, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay guys, so now that you have 15 rows from the beginning, you will go into this front double crochet in here and you will slip stitch. Then you will chain 3. Then you will only do the front double crochets. So you will front double crochet in a front double crochet. And you will skip the back double crochet completely for the entire row. To finish the row, you will slip stitch into the third chain of the first post. And then we need to do 2 more rows of the same, but I'm going to change the color for 1 row. But if you don't want to do that, you can just continue with the same color. Okay, so chain 3. And then continue to front double crochet in the front double crochet for the entire row. Then you will go into the third chain of the first post and you will slip stitch. And then switch the yarn back to green. Chain 3. And then repeat the same steps. So you will front double crochet in every front double crochet. Okay, Then we will go into the third chain of the first post, and we will slip stitch to finish the row. And then we will put our yarn through it, pull it through, cut the yarn and loose the ends. This is how the finished hat looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.